Because of COVID, we were able to see the change happening in 12 months. I think there are a lot of positives. Many people talk of hurdles for a bank. Hi, I am Manish Agarwal. I am the business head for Kotak 811. My leadership style is what I call I&I, which is inclusive and invisible. Now that the growing population are younger and COVID has taught us what the work-life balances are, if you have to lead the people, you can't lead them with dictate. You have to take them along, get their trust and get their buy-in. Technically, you need to support them and enable them, and that's why I call it invisible as well. I think it's innovation. In India, a lot of leapfrog has happened on technology. We moved to mobile instead of moving to desktop-based internet. We also had our infra ready, which is Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and mobile, which enabled us to come out with this innovation. Of course, COVID did accentuated this change. What would have taken 5 years to make the change? Because of COVID, we were able to see the change happening in 12 months, both in consumer as well as for employees. So I think there are a lot of positives. Many people talk of hurdles for a bank. There are many positives, but if I have to talk specifically to hurdles, I think the mindset, it is not customer obsessed mindset in the bankers. They are more compliance focused, which is important, but you also have to have a customer focused mindset. The second challenge is the legacy system. They are monolith, and to make changes, it's very difficult. And the third thing which I would talk about is the sense of urgency and speed of execution. I have heard from startup founders saying that if you call up anybody in a bank at 4 p.m. on Friday, they will say that they will reach out to you on Monday. Whereas startup founders are responding within hours, if not minutes. Yeah, so the three things which I will have to talk about is change of demographic. The youth who were exposed to the best in the world, be it Amazon, Netflix, they expected the same thing in finance, and that was first reason. Second, if I have to talk about is, in the last 25 years, the cost of doing business has dropped from $5 million to $5,000 because the cost of technology is dropped, which led to young entrepreneurs came out with interesting model. The third thing which I would say is very progressive regulatory environment which is available in India. These three things made fintech grow. So when we launched Bhag, which is big, hairy, audacious goal, was to double the customer base, which as Kotak we acquired in 25 years in 18 months. And to tell you, we did achieve the goal in 18 months, and post that our aspirations are growing every month. So what we see is the customer base of Kotak Bank vis-a-vis 811, they are much younger, they are little less affluent, but are spenders. They are aspirational, so they need lot of services, and they are all in digital. So these 4 or 5 things is what I see difference between Kotak and Kotak 811 customers.